We are now at our brand new True Swansea property, and I'm going to show you our True Studio room type. So these studios are great for just a single occupancy, but because we offer dual occupancy at no extra cost, they're great if you want to live with your girlfriend or boyfriend as well whilst you're staying here. So these rooms are 20 square meters in size, and you will see that they are really nice and spacious. But first, what I'm going to do is show you around all the features that you will find in your room when you move in with us in September. So, just starting off first, when you come in to the side, you will see that you have your hooks. Great to hang your keys or your bags or your coats when you come in from university. Down here, you will see that you have a wall-mounted panel heater as well. So this is really good, and you can control the temperature of this and make it as hot or as cold as you would like it to be. So we don't control that, that's all down to you, okay? And it'll make you nice and warm in the winter, because it does get quite cold here when it's obviously December time. Then we get to your full length mirror. What's good about this is obviously it's opposite your wardrobe, so you can make sure you're looking good and you're dressed nice. But you've also got plug sockets down here, so you can plug in your hair dryers or hair straighteners, anything like that, and style your hair in front of the mirror. So I just touched on it briefly, but over here you can see that you have a double wardrobe, so the doors open up like such, and you have a really large shelf to the top. It's absolutely massive, it's really deep. Then you've got a rail in the middle of it, great for your hanging items, and then down here you have 3 further shelves as well for even more storage. But that's not it. You will see when I talk about further features how much storage you really do get in these rooms. They are great. So then we walk into the main room space, and again, just look how spacious they are. They're really, really nice, and they're really airy as well, so you'll definitely have a great time staying in these rooms. So, your desk. Because you're going to be studying whilst you're staying here, this space is probably going to be really important, and we've done a lot to make this as comfortable for you when you're doing all your late night studies. So, to start off with, you've got a really comfortable study chair with a great back support, so when you're doing your long night studying or you're sat down here for a long time, this will keep you nice and comfortable. We also supply you with a waste paper bin, which is great for all your scraps and stuff like that. And then of course, you can see you get a really good desk space. It's really nice and big. You've got plug sockets underneath this corner here, and you've also got further plug sockets here as well with a USB port there. Okay, then above your desk you can see you've got 2 large shelves, great for storing your books or your boxes or your folders. Plus it's really good for you to put your knickknacks up there and make it nice and personal and make your room nice and cozy for you. Then walking further down, the desk obviously continues all nice and kind of smoothly down to this space here. So even more storage up here, but whether you want to put some items and stuff, you've got tons up here. You've got really large cupboards on both sides, so there's one there and one over here, and then you've got a really good large chest of drawers. Again, just small storage. Then above here, you've probably already seen it, but yes, your room comes with a smart screen, flat screen TV. So what that basically means is it's got a smart TV, so you can browse the web, go on Netflix, go on YouTube. Plus, it's a TV, so you've got all the Freeview capabilities such as BBC, ITV, and you name it, there's loads of channels on there. Plus, we even have our own True TV channel, so no other accommodation has this, but basically what that means is you can have a look to see what events we've got coming up this week. If you want to send a message down to the True team, you can do via that. If you'd like to log a maintenance issue or anything like that, you can do it all from the comfort of your bed, straight on your TV. It's really, really good. Then over on the other side, you can see you've got a full double bed. So we don't do half measures or quarter measures here, it is a full double. It's also fitted with a true luxury mattress. So it's a mattress that our students tested out and they chose the one that they like, and that's what you're going to be sleeping on. So we know you're definitely going to have a good night's sleep while staying here. This bed is also what we call an Ottoman bed, and what that simply means is it lifts up and you have tons and tons of storage under there. Great for your suitcases, great for your big bags that you want out of your space. To the back here, you can see that you have a really large ceiling to floor window, which also opens as well. Plus, you've got a blackout curtain there to pull across when you want a good night's sleep. Then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you that by your bed. First off, you get a really comfortable padded headboard, great for if you're sat up in bed watching TV. But you've also got shelves to the side here. Great to put your book down or to charge your phone at night because there's plug sockets in there as well. Plus, a nice little touch here is that you can also control the lights to your room here. So if you get into bed and realise that you've forgotten to switch off the lights, you don't have to go back to your front door, you can just simply switch them off here. You don't even have to move out of bed. Then we obviously get to what this room makes a studio room. So what that basically means is you have your bed, ensuite bathroom, and you get a kitchenette within your room type. So the true studio. So as you can see, I will talk you quickly through about all the features, okay? Some of the studio rooms are slightly different layouts, so it might be the mirror image to this, but you always get the same features in the kitchen. Okay, so first up, you have a 2-ring electric Samsung hob. So as you can see here, got a large ring and a small ring. It's a really high quality hob there as well, so it's fully electric as well. Up here you have a Samsung extractor fan. We believe because you're cooking and sleeping in the same space, this is really important. Switch it on and it will suck away all those lovely cooking smells and leave your space nice and fresh. And you're not smelling whatever you just cook for your tea. Down here you've got a microwave grill combination. Simply open it on up and you can cook your items in there. And then under here you've just got a drawer, great for your cutlery or cooking utensils and stuff like that down there. You can then see that you've got plug sockets there, great for your kettle or your toaster or anything like that. And you've got a really nice worktop area here. On this side you can see you've got a sink with a side drainer. Down here is where your integrated fridge freezer is. So this is your fridge, loads of door space, loads of space under there, and of course your freezer to the top. And then under here we have an under sink storage with a kitchen bin as well. Great space for you to put even more items down there. Then last but not least, these open up and you've got even more space to store your bowls, your pans, or even your groceries and stuff like that. You can store them up there and out of the way. So now we've done with kitchen space, I'm going to show you your ensuite bathroom. So yes, all our rooms come with an ensuite. We don't believe in sharing a toilet. I'm sure you wouldn't want to either. You get a beautiful frosted glass door, so if you did live as a dual occupancy, don't worry, they can't see you whilst you're using the bathroom. When you come on in, the first thing you'll probably notice is the mirror, and it's got a light behind, so it's great to do your makeup on or to shave your face or anything that you want to do in your bathroom. The bathroom is fully tiled throughout as well, so it's got a really nice look. Here you have a sink with an under sink storage as well, so this opens as well. You've got a top space there, great for your towels or your perfumes or whatever you want to put there. You've got a toilet with an integrated flush. On this side you have a towel rail, and then some more towel hooks to the back, and of course, last but not least, your walk-in waterfall shower space with a waterfall shower head, side shower as well.